Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Nokia X10 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve your battery life on your phone. Let's start by turning off all unnecessary running services. So to do that, open the Quick Access panel and let's take a closer look at all the items. If you are not using Wi-Fi, just disable it if you are not using Wi-Fi and using mobile services. So then disable the Wi-Fi, or if you are only using Wi-Fi but not using the mobile network, then disable the mobile network. This will save your battery power as the phone will not search for unused networks. So if you have a choice of using the mobile network or Wi-Fi, I suggest to use Wi-Fi because Wi-Fi uses less battery power. Okay, next, pay attention to Bluetooth. If you don't need Bluetooth right now, just turn it off because Bluetooth is on it constantly looking for new devices nearby, and this also consumes your battery power. Okay. Moving on, Android has geolocation services enabled by default. This consumes a lot of your battery power. So to turn off geolocation recognition, click on the pencil on the left part of your screen, scroll down and find geolocation, click and hold on it and drag it up. Cool. Now click back and just click on find your location on your control panel. Now click on it, and as you can see, your location recognition was successfully disabled. Great. The next step is to enable power saving mode. In order to turn on your power saving mode, just open settings, then scroll down, find battery here, and just enable battery saver. You can choose what you want to disable on battery saving mode. You can turn off the location, you can turn off NFC, Google account button, Google services button, and great, this was power saving mode. But if you only need your phone to make calls and you need it to last as long as possible, then I recommend you to turn on the super power saving mode. To do it, open battery item, then scroll down and find here super battery saver. Just click on it, click turn on, wait a while, and great. As you can see, now we have only 5 applications here, and we can add 3 applications to this mode. You can click plus icon to add some applications, but I don't recommend doing this, as adding power hungry application makes super power saving mode useless. So in super power saving mode, your phone will last much longer on a single charge that it would have in a normal mode. And that's it. If you want to unlock your device, and if you want to get off from power saving mode, just click on the icon on the left top corner. And that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you. Bye.